My parents recently visited and they kind of take pride in what the outside of their lawn and their house looks like, and they made fun of the way my siding looked like, and they recommended this to me. This is what they use. It's Wet and Forget Outdoor, and it's kind of a cool product. All you have to do is hook it directly up to your hose, spray it on your siding, and then leave it alone. You don't ever have to touch it. It's kind of like those scrubbing bubbles in the shower where you set it and kind of forget it and it does all the work for you, but it's really much easier to use than I thought it was going to be. It has a universal adapter here. You just plug your hose in and screw it in, and then there's a few different settings. So off means no water's going to flow through. Pretty easy, right? If you twist it, you can get different pressures of just water. This first whole top setting is just water flowing through this nozzle and nothing else. But then if you twist it all the way over onto the bottom where it says on, now that water is going to go in, it's going to mix with the chemicals, and then it's going to spray out the front, spraying those chemicals onto your house. And there's two different nozzles as well. You can do the smaller nozzle, which means you're going to go a lot further with the spray, but it's going to be a really thin kind of targeted stream. Or you can go to the other nozzle, which is a wider spray. So you're going to be able to spray a much wider section of your house, but it's just not going to go as far. So simple to use. You spray it on your siding, you leave it alone. Sometimes it says it can take hours to get a lot of the stands off, sometimes weeks or maybe even years. So it's really hard to show like a beginning and after on my specific house, but this is what my parents use. They swear by it. They recommended it to me, and I was really actually surprised with how easy it was to use. So if you are looking to clean your siding without actually having to scrub or pressure wash it, this is what my family uses, and we would definitely recommend it.